The Airbus engineers knew exactly what their objective was: to make the new A350 the best plane for the skies. Objection achieved. The Airbus A350, with its advanced aerodynamics and cutting-edge materials, boasts fuel efficiency, reducing environmental impact. The Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines deliver a remarkable balance of power and quiet operation, enhancing the overall in-flight experience. Inside, the A350's spacious cabin, large windows, and innovative lighting create an ambiance of comfort, making long-haul journeys a pleasure for passengers.